Do you fancy a drink? Just the one to clear your head. We won't be long, it's a beautiful day to waste away. There's plenty of time for another one. You know you shouldn't do it. Can see no reason why she blow your mind.
Name of plastering. Now then, stop flirting with my workers, Mama.
I said, my mama, my long lost mama.
Just told him why.
The thing is, you won't get that pattern on your camera either, unless you close up to you.